In the nesting software, we try to position the final structure in a zirconia blank with a diameter of 98 mm. The red lines indicate that the restoration is too large for a blank of this size. Because of the step, the blank has an effective milling surface of 93.7 mm. In the software, we can register a new blank. We select the appropriate zirconia and the larger diameter of 106 mm. In this larger blank, the structure is nested optimally. Compared to blanks with a diameter of 98 mm, the 106 one has a milling surface 24% larger, which permits milling larger restorations. This means that oversized restorations that could not be milled in standard blanks with a diameter of 95 or 98 mm can be easily positioned and then milled with the Teleskoper Orbit. In this extra-large orbit, in combination with special holders, it is possible to mill blanks with diameters of 95, 98, 106 and even 125 mm. The Teleskoper Orbit has a 125 mm diameter and is installed as a standard in the M2 Teleskoper milling unit, as well as in the M2 Dual Teleskoper and M2 Dual Double Teleskoper milling units. With a special holder, it can be installed also in the M4 Wet Heavy Metal milling unit,